Page 112, this is the primary chords for the key of D minor. We just had the scale for D minor. I knew they'd get around to the primary chords eventually, and they did in the next lesson. The chords work the same way in any key, it doesn't matter what they are. The numbers are the same, 1, 4, and the 5, 7 chord. Those are the primary chords. So let's go to D minor, anywhere, I don't care where it is. The 1 chord is built on step 1, that's a D minor chord. Because it's a minor third and a major third. Remember, that's a minor chord. If I do that, it's a D major here. D minor. Then the 4 chord, 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember to use the notes in the scale. This has a B flat in it. It's a G minor chord, because that's a G major chord. We'll just look at G minor. That's the 4 chord. We don't want to be moving around here. So again, this stays the same and these two come up. That way I can get it without moving around. Do it in both hands. Yeah, so that's the 1 and the 4 chord. And then the 5, 7, we'll first get the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's every other note in the scale. It's an A minor chord because that would be an A major chord. A minor, it's a minor third and a major third. A minor. Then we just add the 7th. And that is an A7 chord or a 5-7 chord in D minor. It's always an A7 chord, no matter what the key is. But a 5-7, the number is in relation to whatever key you're in. So it's a 5-7 chord in D minor. Except we're using the harmonic minor, which has the raised 7th step. So we're going to go here. Here. The natural minor would be that one. The harmonic minor is this. So typically when we talk 5-7 chord, we're talking the harmonic minor, which raised the 7th step, which is here. 7th step, we got too many 7th steps going on, don't we? In D minor, the 7th step is a C, so we use that. So we use the C sharp in this chord. So instead of C, we use C sharp. This 7th is just as it is. However, we don't want to use this pattern, this arrangement, because I want to stay close to where I'm at. We need the top and bottom note. That defines the note and the 7th, the chord in the 7th. It's an A7 chord. And either one of the two middle. Sometimes it'll be one, sometimes it'll be the other. Sometimes it'll be both, but not very often. And I don't want to move around. So it's the same pattern as the others. The bottom note goes down a half step. And I use the top 2 notes in the position. So it's just here. See, this motion between the 1 chord and the 5-7 chord is the same in all the keys. Major or minor, doesn't matter, it's the same. The little finger or the bottom note goes down a half step, whatever the key is, and use the top 2 notes in the position. So it's the 1, the 4, 5-7. Do it in both hands. How you finger them is up to you, though. I'm not interested in the fingering right now as I am the notes. Yeah. And they show them here and talk all about them and have all kinds of fun. Page 113 talks about the 5-7, which I just did already. And close position means you're not moving around. They're close together. That's what we were doing. This is close position. But I'm not moving around. Just regular position would be that. It's just that where you're moving there. But otherwise, we'll get these a lot in the next few pieces, I'm sure. Let me know if you have any questions.